Yo, what's up, guys? It's Ryan here, and I'm at a restaurant called Clyde's, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of loud and fun burps for you guys. Here it is.